Yeah, I mean, for me, I think this is the most nervous I've ever been my entire life during a match. And I think you could see that in the first set. I was literally not hitting any balls in the court. And for me, today was weird because usually the nerves go away, but it kind of stayed the entire match. And then I just felt like it was a fight of willpower. And yeah, I managed to win in the end. So, I mean, I can give you logical reasons, but I'm not really a logical person, so it might be something else. Logical reasons: first time playing a Grand Slam as number one. Won the last two, so I kind of want to win this one really bad. I've never played on Chatrier before. This was my first time. And yeah, I feel like I'm kind of having the thought of wanting to prove myself again. So.